Let's take a quick look at how to schedule a new meeting. So in the main menu, let's select Meetings, and then let's schedule a group meeting, so select Group. Now let's select Schedule New Meeting. You have the option of copying an old meeting like a template and edit from there. Let's just go ahead and create one from scratch, so I'm going to enter a subject. So let's go ahead and enter some details. Now let's pick date and time. So here's a start at. Why don't we make that start on the 18th? We'll have it end on the same day, don't have to. Let's pick some time. I can scroll that, see like this, or I can just select it this way. So let's go ahead and select that. So we got it starting at 12 noon. Okay. Let's go ahead and have an end time. Let's go ahead and scroll that. So we'll make it 2, and let's make it 30. And we don't want AM, let's go with PM. So 12 to 2:38. All right, let's go ahead and set a reminder for a couple of days before the meeting starts. And we can make it, say, 6 a.m. Okay. And let's schedule a break. Here we go. Let's invite some members here. It's good many members. Let's get one more. Let's leave one out. And we'll go ahead and schedule the meeting. So it looks like we scheduled successfully. It pulled in our default agenda here, right? And it looks like it's gone over a little bit. Let's edit this focus time here. So I'm going to select the edit pencil. And I'm going to do it for specific members only instead of for all members. And let's take, I'm logged in as Jill Tester. Let's take myself out of the rotation. That'll save a little time. And update that. So now we have 11 minutes to spare. Let's go ahead and give a little extra time to each member. So why don't we go ahead and change that to 20 minutes instead of 18. So we'll update that. And that's pretty good. We're over 1 minute. This really doesn't have to be perfect. When you've got a live meeting, you're just sort of like going with the flow or whatever. If you want to make that perfect, let's edit this one right here. Let's just give ourselves 5 minutes for this instead of 6. Update. And so you can see now we're zeroed out. Our agenda is good. Everybody's been invited. We're in great shape. Let's update the meeting. Okay, and so then down here is the meeting we just scheduled. Now you know how to schedule a new meeting.